Good morning and welcome to Jurassic Park. Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. This is a place near Elgin and it is unreal. Look at this. The ferns are up to my head. The trees are just enormous. There's tree roots all over the floor, so I'm probably going to slide my butt in about 3 seconds. This is just phenomenal. It's like a different planet. I can't really describe it, but I'm really excited to be here. Apparently there's a lock at the other part of it as well, so we're going to go for a wee walk and see what we can find. So we're just walking through this and we've come back out to this sort of native woodland, and they've got the lock behind us here, this gorgeous big house here, and also this big tree here, and the light is just hitting the side of that and I absolutely love it. I'm trying to find a composition there. I also really like this over here. You've got like this area here, which you can see there's a little bit of sort of mist. Well, no, it's not mist, I don't know what that is. It's like all the pine needles and stuff are so densely populated in that one area that it makes it look quite teal and misty looking, and I love it. So I think I'm going to shoot that first and then shoot the tree and see what we can get. But I'll talk you through the composition every second. I'm not going to move the camera just because I had this composition set up and this is what I'm shooting just now. So as you can see, there's a tree on the left hand side just to anchor that point on the left. I've got a thing about when I'm framing compositions, I like to have something that anchors you and then drags you into the photograph. I suppose a lot of people kind of shoot that way as well. The main focal point for me are these trees, these branches here, just sort of hanging down. You've got these yellow green leaves kind of hanging down and they just frame that composition beautifully. You've got all this bracken on the left hand side here as well, and there's some bracken down here. This part of the image I'm not so keen on, like I wish that kind of wasn't there. Obviously you have to have something kind of drawing your eye. I also really like this sort of triangular, these sort of lines coming in, which are again leading you back up to these branches here. Overall I'm really happy with this photograph. I think it looks beautiful. It looks very mystical. You know how much I love my mystical photos with all the fairies in them, so I'm really chuffed with how it's turned out. The settings for this picture, I was shooting at ISO 800 because we're in quite a dark area just now, and I had my shutter speed down to 40th of a second shooting at f4, but I've basically just been waiting for the wind to drop before I actually snapped the picture, so essentially it still looks pretty sharp. Yay! For one image and I found something completely different, and it's all about, it's kind of blowing it out a little bit on this screen, but it's all about that sunlight and background, just backlighting that heather. It just looks stunning. The heather's got some moisture on it because it's still early in the morning, and as you can see in my settings, I'm shooting at f6.3, 40th of a second in ISO 800, and I've got the lens set to macro mode. We can try and get even closer. Now you can see from there how close I am to the actual, there's the flower and there's the lens. So I'm pretty close to get this shot. I absolutely love it. It's just so beautiful and understated, and that background almost looks black and white just because of all the trees in the background as well. So yeah, pretty happy. We're back at the van now. We came back and had a roll and a cuppa and stuff, and then it started raining. So we've kind of abandoned the shoot here for today because the rain was just absolutely relentless and it just would not stop. We've managed to get a couple of images today. I'm not sure how you managed to get on, but I got 2 images from this location. I've really enjoyed my time in Aberdeenshire, and thank you so much to Kim for giving me a guided tour of the area. It's been absolutely brilliant. I'm excited to come back up and also bring her down to the Central Belt and show her bits of my area as well, or my home turf. I'm going to head home now and get all my photographs edited because I have so many from yesterday. That amazing epic light we had on Findhorn Beach last night just completely blew us away, and I think, to be honest, it kind of spoiled us a little bit for today because I don't know if anything could beat that last night. It was just amazing, so I'm still on a bit of a high from there.
All I want to say is that we're not in Aberdeenshire, we're in Moray. But apart from that, no, it's been amazing, and it's been lovely to have you up here. And I've now got the bug to get a van. I've now got the van
She wants to
life
steal my
back.
van. Yeah, we had our sort of cuppa in here, and then we've just been sort of chilling out here for the last hour or so, just gabbing. And she's definitely got the bug. We've been sitting looking at camper vans online already. So, aye, we have matching vans soon.
I'm excited.
I know. I can't wait to come back up. So yes, back up to Moray, back up to the Moray coast. The Grampian's a whole area.
Grampian's a whole area, but in Grampian there's Moray, Aberdeenshire, and Aberdeen City.
Right. And I didn't know that, so I've learned something today.
So we've been in Moray the whole time you've been up here.
There we go. So we've been in Moray.
We've not even been on the Aberdeenshire border. We've actually been at least 40 minutes, so 45 minutes away from Aberdeenshire the whole time.
Yeah, nowhere near Aberdeenshire. So. But I absolutely love it here. It's definitely got, it's not what I expected, I have to admit. It's definitely looks a lot more like the Cairngorms than I was expecting. This location was stunning, it had a lot of potential, and I think in the right conditions it's definitely somewhere to come back to as well. So I'm going to sign off here just now. I'll post my photographs at the end as per usual. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and last week's videos. They've been an absolute joy to shoot, it's been so much fun. Until next week, I'll see you soon, bye!